This video is sponsored by viaim. Today we're taking a look at the viaim NoteKit and the viaim RecDot Earbuds, two AI products that viaim designed to support productivity and creative workflows. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today we are going to be going over some of the core features of the viaim NoteKit and the viaim RecDot Earbuds so that you can learn more about viaim AI and how it's designed to help you in your next meeting. But first things first, I do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to viaim for actually sponsoring this video. So viaim, thank you. Appreciate you. But with that having been said, there are a lot of AI features built into these two products, so let's get into it. Starting things out here with the viaim NoteKit. The NoteKit is designed to be a compact AI-powered meeting assistant for computer-based note-taking. And what this means is that at its core, the NoteKit is a USB tool that is designed to convert speech into text automatically through the power of AI. There are dual microphones built right into the NoteKit that allow for on-site audio to be picked up, recorded, and processed within a 15-foot range. The setup involves plugging it in, launching the app, and starting your meeting. That's it. The NoteKit will automatically start recording and intelligently extract summaries and to-do lists from the meeting that you're in. And if you're online, the NoteKit also supports all of the mainstream online meeting apps such as Google Meet, WebEx, Teams, and Zoom. And the NoteKit product itself was designed by viaim with consistency in mind. It's only about 6 centimeters long and about the size of a flash drive. And it kind of operates like one too, because there's a USB-A and a USB-C connection built right in. Plus it only weighs around 8.5 grams, giving it a size and overall weight that viaim is proud to say makes the NoteKit more convenient to carry around than a pen. But the AI features here go beyond just transcription and info extraction. The NoteKit could also help with generating real-time subtitles for videos or conversations that are in a foreign language. And if you ever want to mute yourself, you could do so quickly at the simple press of a button with a bright LED indicator light showing up for status visibility. And all of this is packaged together with Bluetooth 5.3 technology for improved stability and extended range, which is important if you actually plan on pairing the viaim NoteKit with your viaim RecDot Earbuds. Earbuds that in and of themselves also house a bunch of different AI features. The RecDots in and of themselves are in fact earbuds that could be used as such. They offer up to 36 hours of battery life, up to 42 decibels of active noise cancellation, and they even have a high-res certification with support for the LDEC audio codec. But you don't need to pair the RecDots to the NoteKit in order to take advantage of all the RecDots AI features. For one thing, the RecDots themselves have a dedicated button for one-press quick recording, which allows the RecDots to also work directly with the viaim AI meeting assistant built into the viaim app, an app that's compatible on iOS and Macs, and on Android and Windows. And yes, just like the NoteKit, you could also use the RecDots either for in-person meetings or with the same online meeting apps that we talked about earlier. And also like the NoteKit, you do also have support for multiple foreign languages, 16 to be exact, with the RecDots. But since the RecDots are not limited to working on just your Windows computer like the NoteKit is, it's entirely possible that you'll end up using the RecDots on multiple devices. And for that very reason, there's also multi-device synchronization that lets you sync your recordings from the cloud, enabling you to access your recordings on your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer with built-in sharing options for faster access so others could follow along either in real time or after the fact. If you're still stuck taking notes for your meetings the traditional way and find yourself lagging behind on timeliness or efficiency, you might want to consider the viaim NoteKit and or the viaim RecDot Earbuds. Once again, a huge thank you and a shout out to viaim for sponsoring this video, and hopefully you learned a thing or two about what viaim is doing in the AI space. And for some of the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the viaim NoteKit or the viaim RecDot Earbuds, you can of course always head to my affiliate links, bmac.link/viaim NoteKit or bmac.link/viaim RecDot. Of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below as well, so check those out. I actually do have a meeting this afternoon that I have to attend, so I better get these babies up and running so I can just kick back, relax, and let viaim AI do the note-taking work for me. Gotta love modern day tech. I will see you guys in my next video.